Hey, Sean here from SpeedCubeReview.com. I've already made a video talking about the GAN Mini. It's 53 millimeters, it's a core magnetized GAN puzzle, and I really like it. So, a couple things that I really like about it is it's a good size. It's 53 millimeters, and even for me that has large hands, it's great. It performs really well. It has that matte finish out of the box that polishes up pretty fast. It is still a little bit light, and other than that though, that's really the only downside I see at the moment. I don't know what price it is off the top of my head, but I'll link in the description where you can go check it out. There was an issue when I unboxed it. What that issue was, I was a little hesitant on it because I talked to GAN and they actually fixed it. They actually took it off the market. They said, okay, we're going to fix it, and they did. So I'm going to post some pictures here. The issue before was that it kept slipping. So 1 is the tightest tension and 4 is the loosest. And this is as far as how tight the puzzle feels, as far as how far you can pull the corner away from the center. Well, I first realized it when I would have it on the tightest tensions, 1, and then suddenly I was getting corner twists, and I don't think I got a pop. I think I got some corner twists, and I looked and it moved it to 4. So I experimented, I tried it on 2, and then it did slip to 1, and then it slipped to 4. So it kept slipping to the loosest tensions. And I sent a couple ideas to GAN. I said, what's happening is the spring, that clear part is actually turning it. So it has nothing to do with the center caps. I saw someone say that it was touching the center cap and that was it. And they shaved some, like a couple millimeters off. No, that's not what happened. It was moving because that clear part was turning it. And one option that I suggested, because I tried a few things, I tried on my own washers, I tried lubricating, none of that really worked. And one of the things I said was that you could make those little teeth marks where it goes to the next setting just sharper. Now, when I wrote them, they said they did hear someone else say the same thing, so maybe they were working on that before I said it. But they did go and fix it, which props to them for doing that. So this is what it looked like before, this is what it looks like now. And another thing that I just noticed is that the numbers seem more clear. So it almost looks like the mold might have just had an issue where it didn't actually solidify with sharp edges. It kind of melted down a bit. I don't know if that's true or not. I don't actually know how that sort of molding works, but that's what it looks like. So this is a great puzzle, and I just wanted to update on that's what the issue was, and it is fixed now. Some people did get their puzzle in between when it looked like when I got my new version and when the old one was there. So you can check that. The teeth that I'm showing is from the top part of it. So if you take the top part that has the numbers and flip it over, that's what we're looking at there. But I've already done a review. I'll put the review in the description below. Thank you very much for watching. I definitely will be using this for a one-handed puzzle. For two-handed, it's between this and another puzzle that's just about 1.5 millimeters larger. So I'm debating with that. But for right now, I know I was kind of a little bit harsh with the GAN 12, and I did get some people that were telling me that I shouldn't be subjective with my reviews. I should just be solely objective, and I feel like that would make for very boring content. But a lot of you did appreciate that, so thank you very much for saying that. I love hearing that feedback, and you know, I make these because I love making the videos, and I'm very happy that a lot of you enjoyed them as well. Thank you very much, and I will talk to you guys later.